Sorry, I apologize for this being the dirtiest Fresnel lens in the world, but I think you get my drift. It's a lot easier to cross-view something that is magnified like this. I'm going to have to change that lens, but yeah, because that might just be too small for most people, even me, as I'm getting older in my age. And these are metallic, by the way. This one is silver. And where are the rest of them? Blah, 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 blah. I don't know what I did. Oh, here they are. My bad. You can do it like this guy. And let's see. Okay. That's not going to do it. I'm not going to do that anymore. But I just want to show you guys the sheen. So when these were taken, they were taken at night, and I would often get car reflections. So I kind of wanted to imitate that in these. And you can see it's even a little hard to focus this small up close, but yeah. So a car would pass and, like, the light would beam off of it, and that's actually how it looked in real life. And that's it.